There's number 1 Alcantara. Using that big for 3. It's a good find for the rebound. On is the right for the putback. Still no good. Out of bounds, same ball. Substitution. 14-second shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot. There's number 1 Alcantara. That pass intercept. It's Celestino. There's number 2. Looking for it up and then pass to Paul. Masyado malakas ang pasa. Intercept. There's number 2. Gomez. Benefit back. Pass to Magkalagat. Pasa. There's a foul. There's number 1. Estela Alcantara. Second shot is still no good. Secure the rebound. Parang is there number 8. There's number 18. Jump ball, single. There's number 10. Toman. Pass to Ramanan. There's number 55. Still good. High pass to Celestino is good. Score 25-32. Back to Gomez.